Hello everyone, I'm Tuấn, I'm from anime team. In this video I will show you some result I achieved when I deploying high availability system for OpenPaaS. The first, I will show you architecture of this system. We have a 3 node run Debian 8 and as you see in the picture we have a 3 path. The first is a for story path. The second is for main component for OpenPaaS, and the last is for load balancing and failover handle. In this deployment, we don't set up rapid MQ and ready distribution. Let's speak about the first part. We have 3 components: Cassandra, Elasticsearch, and Mongo, and we have 3 node per x. About Mongo, we set up as a replicate set, and we have one primary node and 2 secondary node. If primary node die, 2 secondary node will perform action and elect the new primary node. And how to OpenPaaS can connect to Mongo cluster. Mongo support connection setting to connect to Mongo replicate set by we need to specify Mongo node IP and port per x node, and the main we need to specify replicate set name. I will try to queue. I will try to queue one node Mongo. Okay, and check system work. No more. Okay, it's work. Okay, the next let's speak about Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch set up as a cluster. We have one master node and 2 slave node, and I will show you the cluster here. Elasticsearch cluster here check. Sorry, maybe I don't start Elasticsearch on loads on. I do not start that. Okay, so I check again. Okay, we have some information here. Cluster name is Elasticsearch. Status is green. It means Elasticsearch works normal. We have a number of nodes is 4. Actually is 3, but I just turn on the 4th node for test how to add one Elasticsearch node into the exist Elasticsearch cluster. And yeah, and the question here is how to OpenPaaS and same connect to Elasticsearch cluster. For the OpenPaaS, we can connect to Elasticsearch cluster by to add 2 param in the connection option. The first is sleep on start. If it's set true, it means client attempt to detect the rest of cluster and the rest of cluster in the first instance. The second param is a snip interval. In this example, is 100 to 20,000. It means every 2 minutes client will perform snip action and make sure the list of nodes in the cluster is complete. And about them, for now them support to connect Elasticsearch cluster by specify the list of Elasticsearch IP nodes, and we need to specify the cluster name, number of sat and number of replicates. We need check the Elasticsearch OpenPaaS to connect Elasticsearch, and as you see in the config of Elasticsearch, for now we connect to this node, this Elasticsearch node on this Elasticsearch on this node. So I will try to key Elasticsearch process on this node and check if OpenPaaS can work, can switch other node and work normal. Okay, I will key. I will stop Elasticsearch service on this node and check. Okay, OpenPaaS Elasticsearch is work normal. Okay, so it's for Elasticsearch. The next we speak about Cassandra set up as a cluster, and them can connect to Cassandra cluster by the same Elasticsearch. Like Elasticsearch, we need to specify the Cassandra node and port for Cassandra. And as you see in the we need check, we can check Cassandra cluster by this command line. And as you see in the command line, we have a three node for we have a cluster with 3 nodes, one data center with 3 nodes. Okay, that's for Elasticsearch. And next we go to the second part, is the main component of OpenPaaS. We have 3 components: XAMPP, OpenPaaS, and Cyber. The first, we have 2 nodes per each component. XAMPP have 2 nodes, as OpenPaaS have 2 nodes, and we set up 2 nodes on node 2 and node 3. So I set up XAMPP and OpenPaaS as a system service. I will check on the node 2 and node 3. Node 2, OpenPaaS. Okay, it's running. XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP is running. Okay, so I will check OpenPaaS service on node 3. Okay, so I use NZX for load balancing. I will demo for OpenPaaS. Uh, for OpenPaaS, we have two OpenPaaS, and if request will NCX will forward request by round robin algorithm, and we if if I delete this node, this OpenPaaS node, uh, I will we expect that system works normal. I will try. Okay, so we will go to the first the delete OpenPaaS service on node high, node 2. System OpenPaaS. Okay, I can OpenPaaS process on node 2 and try to refresh. Okay, it's loading, and as you see it's work because I config NCX upstream with two hot, one from node 2 and one from node 3, and I will check OpenPaaS on node 3 is running and system work normal, as you see. Okay, it's for load balancing. It's the same for them and Sabre. So the last I will demo for you about loop about failover. We have two NCX, one for primary and one for backup. If in this deployment I use a coroutine and pacemaker to handle failover. The coroutine is a tool for manage the node in the cluster computer, and pacemaker for manage the resource uh, resource app resource service resource. Okay, I installed coroutine and pacemaker on both of node 2 and node 3, and I will show you a coroutine configuration by this command line. Sorry, here. As you see, we have a two member 1 and member 2. Two member, yeah, it's with IP private IP of node 2 and node 3. So it's for coroutine after I config node 2 and node 3 at a cluster of computer. So the next is a pacemaker. Manage resource. I will show you the pacemaker by CRM cell pacemaker configuration. As you see, we have two nodes in this node 2 and node 3. We have two resource, IP address 2 and NCX. IP address 2 for floating IP, and NCX for proxy, and we need to group two IP address high and NCX in the OpenPaaS group, and we need check status. As you see, we have two resource is running on node 2. Okay, it's running on the node 2. Okay, so I will check IP. As you see, IP on node 2 uh, because IP address high is running on node 2. Let's see, node 2 have a private IP for itself, but it assign is also it is also assigned the second private IP. It's for floating IP, as if you see in the picture, floating IP. Okay, so uh, s- uh, as you see uh, in the pacemaker configuration, uh, for NCX resource, you see on fail and value is a restart. It means when NCX on the node on primary NCX die, pacemaker will try to restart NCX. I will queue. I will I will try to queue NCX process on node 2, and expectation here is pacemaker will restart NCX on the node 2. As the NCX is running with process ID here, and I will queue NCX process on node 2. Okay, queue success, and I will check again for check pacemaker is restart NCX. Okay, in NCX restarted with as with different process ID, as you see. Okay, and reload. Okay, it's me. Let's see, it works normal. Okay, yeah, so internet speed too slow because I choose server wrong wrong reason. Okay, it's work. So the next scenario is I will try to kill node 2, and expectation here is floating IP will reassign to node 3, and request from user is normal. Okay, this is a node 2, and I will pull off this node. Okay, pull off. I don't perform any action here, and in the node 3 I will check IP first. I will check pacemaker first, status first. Okay, as you see, IP address high and NCX resource started on node 3, and next I will check IP. Okay, as you see, this the second private IP is reassigned to node 3. So I will try to connect. I will refresh node and check node 2 is a stop, and node 3 is a reassign the IP. But here I don't understand here. Okay. This is a problem when one node stop, and maybe I do not have not enough uh, knowledge about sysadmin to debug here. So thank you for watching, and if you need more detail of deployment, you can go to the document I public, and welcome all your comment. Thank you again.